Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best interactive dog toys that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the QGI Interactive Dog Toy. This motion-activated toy offers an engaging experience for your pup, with its unique, irregular rolling design and added rope attachment for extra interaction. It's crafted from upgraded chew-resistant materials, meaning it's built to last for most dogs, but it's not recommended for aggressive chewers. The toy features 2 speed modes, a fast mode for high-energy dogs and a slower mode for more timid or smaller pups, making it versatile for all breeds and energy levels. The build quality is solid, with durable plastic and thoughtful design elements like a smart sensor that activates play for 3 minutes at a time. Once in standby mode, it's easily reactivated with just a touch, keeping your dog entertained for hours. The Type-C charging port and high-capacity battery ensure extended playtime, while the included replacement accessories provide longevity. While the QGI toy excels in versatility, it's limited by its lack of suitability for aggressive chewers and its heavier weight, which might be less ideal for smaller dogs. If you're looking for a motion-activated toy that works well indoors and offers a variety of play options, this is a solid choice. However, its price remains unavailable, making its value proposition harder to gauge. At number 4, we have the Cheerable Wicked Ball Air. Cheerable is known for its high-tech pet toys, and this model doesn't disappoint. Designed for medium to large dogs, this ball features a durable ETPU outer shell that's bite-resistant and eco-friendly. With 3 interactive modes, normal, passive, and gentle, you can adjust the toy to match your dog's energy level and play style, making it ideal for mental stimulation and endless fun. The Wicked Ball Air boasts an IPX7 waterproof rating, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor play. The USB-C rechargeable battery offers 1 to 3.5 hours of playtime, and a quick 50-minute charge ensures minimal downtime. Cleaning is straightforward. Simply wipe off dirt and rinse the shell. But make sure the outer shell is screwed on tightly to maintain its waterproof integrity. One unique feature is the replaceable outer shell, which extends the toy's lifespan. While this toy is excellent for active dogs, it's not suitable for aggressive chewers, and it requires supervision to help your dog interact properly with the ball. Its lightweight design is better suited for larger breeds, and its price is currently unavailable, leaving its affordability unknown. If you're looking for an advanced, customizable toy for medium to large dogs, the Wicked Ball Air is definitely worth considering. Taking the 3rd spot is the Boyoyo Interactive Dog Puzzle Toy. This treat-dispensing slow feeder is perfect for mentally stimulating your dog while promoting healthier eating habits. Made from sturdy ABS and nylon materials, this toy is durable enough for most dogs, though it's not suitable for aggressive chewers. What sets this toy apart is its adjustable feeding mechanism, which allows you to control the amount of food dispensed, extending mealtime and keeping your dog entertained. The Boyoyo toy combines puzzles with treat dispensing, encouraging your dog to roll the toy and solve challenges to access the hidden treats. This interaction helps improve intelligence and provides hours of mental stimulation, making it ideal for reducing boredom and anxiety. The spiral structure adds an extra level of difficulty for smarter dogs. Additionally, it's easy to clean, with a disassembled design that's dishwasher safe. While this toy excels in enriching your dog's playtime, it may not be suitable for smaller or less active dogs due to its weight and complexity. Also, supervision is recommended to ensure proper use. Overall, the Boyoyo puzzle toy is a fantastic choice for owners looking to combine feeding with mental stimulation, offering great value for its features. Sliding into 2nd place is the Petsty Dog Puzzle Toy. This toy is a masterclass in IQ training and brain stimulation, offering a unique combination of spin and slide and seek and hide puzzles that challenge your dog's problem-solving skills. With a 10-inch design and 16 treat dispenser holes, this toy promotes slow feeding, extending mealtime to over 20 minutes while providing mental enrichment. The toy is made from non-toxic, durable polypropylene material, ensuring safety and longevity. Its anti-slip pads keep the toy stable during play, and its built-in squeak button adds an extra layer of fun to attract your dog's attention. The design features non-removable parts, preventing choking hazards and ensuring long-term durability. Cleaning is a breeze, as the toy is dishwasher safe. While the Petsta puzzle toy is ideal for all breeds and ages, it may not be suitable for aggressive chewers. Its intricate design is better suited for active or curious dogs who enjoy mental challenges. If you're looking for a gift-worthy toy that combines slow feeding with mental stimulation, the Petsta puzzle toy is a fantastic option. And finally, taking the crown at number 1 is the Pet Droid Interactive Dog Ball. This newly upgraded model is packed with features designed to keep your dog entertained and engaged. The ball offers 2 modes: irregular rolling and crazy bouncing, catering to a variety of play styles. It's motion activated, meaning your dog's touch triggers the ball to roll or bounce, keeping them intrigued. The built-in multicolor flashing lights add an extra layer of fun, especially for nighttime play. The ball is USB rechargeable with a 600 mAh battery that provides up to 4 hours of continuous use after just 1.5 hours of charging. It's made from durable, non-toxic polyamides, ensuring safety, though it's not suitable for aggressive chewers. The inclusion of a tennis cover makes it quieter on carpets and lawns, adding versatility for indoor and outdoor use. Plus, it comes with a 1-year warranty and a lifetime no-return exchange policy, offering peace of mind. While the Pet Droid Ball is highly versatile and engaging, it's limited by its incompatibility with aggressive chewers and its specific mode requirements for different surfaces. Overall, it's an excellent choice for dog owners looking for a durable, feature-packed interactive toy that provides hours of entertainment and mental stimulation, making it our top pick. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.